the 117 candidates for graduation for the school year 2011-2012 who have satisfactorily completed the basic education curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education.
By virtue of the power vested upon me as rector of Don Bosco Academy, I do hereby declare you 117 candidates of the grade school department as full-fledged graduates of Don Bosco Academy for the school year 2011-2012.
Once again, let us give our new Bosconian graduates of Batch 2012 a warm applause. Graduates, please be seated.